grab? She says, I don't want it to grab right now. I don't want it to grab right now. Yeah. You want to talk? Oh, don't let your head go going off the side there. You have to roll your back here. That's what we'll have to do. Oh my. What do you want to do? You want to go up and burp, maybe? Do you want to go up and burp? You want to look. Is that all right if we rock that way? Is that all right now? Yeah? Oh. Oh. A yawn. Oh my. Such a big yawn. Yes. Yes. You're right awake now, aren't you? Wide awake. Yes, you're wide awake. Yes. I think you like a rocking chair. I think you like a rocking chair. Don't you? You like a rocking chair? This chair has rocked a lot of kids. Yes, it has. It's rocked, well, not so many, but it has rocked kids before. Yes, it has. Oh, my. Another big yawn. And now what? You trying to sit up? You trying to sit up? You trying to hold that head up? Goodness gracious. There. There. You going to pick that head up again? You going to pick that head up again? And the other hands, you're going to be a dancer? You're going to try to be a dancer? Huh? You're a little young for that dancing stuff. You're a little young for that dancing stuff. Look at those big eyes. Look at those big eyes. Yes, look at them. Oh, goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. First you yawn, and then you open your big eyes up. Yes, those are going to be nice big eyes. Yes. What? You want to come up on the shoulder? Or do you want to just...
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Maybe we should do it.